1. Base sill installation. Once you're confident that the base level and dimensions are accurate, place a spirit level against the inside of the external brickwork and draw a line alongside the inside edge of the spirit level. Refer to your base plan diagram and lay all the sill pieces onto the base. The inside face of the sill should be positioned against this line and onto the base. At this stage, it's important to assure the sill is level, in the correct position, and using your roof plan, which is attached to the checklist images in Box A, check that the internal sill measurements are correct. Two. Sill connectors. Join the sill sections with the appropriate sill connectors and assure that these are silicone sealed on all contact areas. Fit the sill's connectors to the sill using the screws provided. Measure the gap left for the doors and cut the sill to size with a saw so that it overhangs the brickwork for the door by 2 mm on each side. A separate length of 150 mm sill is supplied to fit between the dwarf walls. 3. Fixing sill. See your installation guide to view the key measurement checks. Once you're happy that this is accurate, drill through the sill and into the base to a depth of at least 100 mm. Permanently fix through the sill using the fixing bolts. These should be positioned 100 mm from each end of the sill and equally spaced.